Time-tested recipes, a recipe for success. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a very interesting phrase that's not only delicious in its imagery but also rich in meaning. We're talking about time-tested recipes. Whether you're a culinary enthusiast or just love exploring the depths of the English language, this video is cooked up especially for you. Let's unravel the layers of this phrase and discover why it's a favorite ingredient in conversations about success, tradition, and reliability. First things first, let's dissect time-tested recipes into its two main components. Time-tested implies something has been proven to be reliable or effective over a period of time. It's not just a flash in the pan, it's something that has stood the test of time. Recipes, on the other hand, are not just limited to cooking. They can be formulas or instructions for achieving a particular result. So, when we talk about time-tested recipes, we're referring to methods or strategies that have consistently shown success through years or even generations. While the phrase might conjure images of your grandmother's secret cake recipe, time-tested recipes extends far beyond the realm of cooking. It can be applied to business strategies, educational methods, scientific theories, and personal development plans, among others. These are approaches that have been refined and proven effective over time, offering a sort of guarantee based on historical success. The beauty of time-tested recipes lies in their reliability. In a world where new methods and technologies emerge at a breakneck pace, time-tested recipes offer a sense of security and trustworthiness. They are like the North Star in a constantly changing landscape, providing guidance based on proven effectiveness. This doesn't mean innovation is to be shunned, but rather that there is value in what has been consistently successful. Time-tested recipes can be a metaphor for the best practices in our daily lives. Whether it's managing your finances, nurturing relationships, or personal grooming, there are tried and true methods that people have followed for ages. Embracing these can often lead to success, happiness, and fulfillment. It's about finding the balance between sticking to the basics that work and adding your own twist to improve and adapt. In our journey today, we've uncovered the rich flavors that make time-tested recipes a phrase worth savoring. It's a reminder that, while innovation and creativity are essential, there is immense wisdom in what has been proven over time. Whether in cooking, business, or personal growth, these recipes can guide us towards success. Thank you for joining me in this exploration. I hope this video has been both informative and engaging, and I look forward to seeing you in our next linguistic adventure. Happy learning!